Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and keeping safe. So today we are going to create this glam eye makeup look. I have kept my eyes very bold and my face and my lips on the nude side. You can customize the colors as you want. So let's start. If you want to know how you can create this look, then keep on watching. To start off with, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer for my dark circles and dotting it all over my face, under my eyes, around my mouth where I have pigmentation, and on the dark spots and the acne marks which I have on my face. I'm using this high coverage concealer because the foundation I'm going to use is a very light to medium coverage foundation and I want a nice coverage going on my face. So for my foundation, I'm using the K Beauty foundation in the shade 150N Tan. This is a light to medium coverage foundation with a glowing finish. Now with a buffing brush, I'm just gonna buff all the foundations in my face. I know it is looking a little off color, but just wait a second and it's gonna blend in into the skin really well. Now to blend on my concealer, I'm going to use another brush from PAC, which is a concealer blending brush. All the details are mentioned in the description box, so you can check that out. I'm just going to blend everything in and apply the same concealer on my eyelids as well. Now to highlight my face, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 and just applying it a little bit on the corners of my eyes and to give them that uplifting effect, and on the center points of my face to bring in the light and make it look highlighted. Now I'm using the same brush and just blending it everything. I'm not taking my concealer too down on my face. I'm just blending it at the area where I have placed it. Now to set everything in, I'm again using the K Beauty translucent powder and applying that powder using a sponge. I'm just going to apply the powder lightly on all the areas where I have applied my highlighting concealer, and just gonna buff whatever is remaining on my whole face. Now for contouring, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour duo and just using the contour shade and chiseling my face out with it and contouring and bronzing at the same time. I'm just going to bronze a little bit on my forehead as I have a broader forehead and I want to make it look a little smaller. So just blend everything in. Also contouring my nose, I have gone a little bit too hard on here, so I'm just blending everything in and making it look seamless. For my blush, I'm using the Europe Girl blush. The shade name is mentioned in the description box. It's a red toned blush, very blendable. I really like this one. So yeah, the best part about this blush is even if you have applied it a little too much, you can always blend it and it blends like a dream. So I really like this one. To set everything in, I'm using the PAC Micro Finish Setting Spray and just spraying it all over my face. Now I'm taking my sponge and dabbing that spray into my skin to make my whole look and to make my whole base look very flawless. Now I'm going in with my highlighter. This is again from K Beauty. The name of the highlighter is Champagne Fizz, and I'm applying it on the high points of my face, that is on my cheekbones, on both the sides and on the center of my face. It brings in a really glowing finish and I really like this one. And whatever is left on my brush, I am just dusting it over on my forehead, and this completes our face makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm using the So Jaded palette from Colourpop and taking the shade Royal Jewel and applying it all over my eyelid. This is to create a base for my eyeshadows to blend seamlessly. Now I'm taking the shade Carnelian and applying it in my crease area and blending it nicely. This is going to be my transition shade and this will help me further blend my eyeshadows. Now I am depositing the shade Turquoise towards the corner of my eyes and I'm just blending it with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this shade Sapphire and applying it over the previous shade and deepening it a bit. Now taking this shade Peri dot, and this is the shimmer shade. I'm applying it to the center of my eyes, and I'm going to cut my crease with this shade itself. Guys, this one is so pigmented. Now I'm taking the shade Diamond and highlighting my inner eyes and a little bit of my lower lash line. To complete this eye look, I am tightlining my eyes with the K Beauty Kohl pencil, and I'm applying the same on my lower lash line as well. Now blending in the same eyeshadow, Sapphire and Turquoise, towards my lower lash line, and then taking the shade Garnet and blending it further. For my mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Mascara and applying a nice coat for the same. For my liner, I'm using the NYX Epic liner. I absolutely love this one. This is the only liner I have, and it works so perfectly to create a nice wing liner. For my lashes, I'm using the Hot Lash Magnetic Lashes, and I'm highlighting my brow bone with the same diamond shade. Now to line my lips, I'm using Barely Brown lip liner from PAC Cosmetics and Smashbox Boss Babe liquid lip, and to top it off I'm using the Nykaa lip gloss. And this is the final look, guys. It looks so pretty. If you want, you can customize the shades as per your dress or as per the occasion. I absolutely love this palette. If there are any palette you want to invest in, go for a Colourpop palette and you will not regret that one. So this was it for today, guys. If you like this video, do click on the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care. Bye bye.